This is Alard Y5505, an URSCHEL GK-A dicer. We've got the covers off and so forth. It has the 10-inch slice shell you can see down in here. Has the control panel with the URSCHEL safety interlock, so if you take the covers off it won't run. And you may be saying to yourself, there aren't many cutting parts in that machine. And the reason for that is we are going to show you how this machine can slice, how it can strip cut, and eventually, and after a fashion here, how it can dice. What else can I tell you about this machine? It is 2 horsepower, 3-phase drive. The castings are all plated so that it is, of course, it is GK-A. It is a USDA compliant food grade sanitary machine. So we will kind of put things together here and get this going in just a minute for you. If you have any questions, by the way, about what this can be configured for, what different cutting parts can go on it, what different cuts it can do, to tell us about what cuts you need and whether this machine will do it for you, please give us a call at 315-589-4511 at Alard Equipment. We have a large selection of URSCHEL cutting equipment in stock, and hopefully we have the right thing for you. We've got some potatoes here to work with. So as we're buttoning this up, I forgot to mention the K in GK-A stands for crinkle cut. So this machine can cut either flat or crinkle cut slices. And, we have other G flavor machines that can do the same cuts, but flat only. An URSCHEL G or GA will only do the flat cuts. This machine has the ability to also do crinkle cuts, so we will be doing both. This machine can do both crinkle and flat cuts. Okay, we're gonna put some potatoes in here and do some slicing. Well, there's the first one. Yeah. So go ahead, drop another one in there. Oh, okay. You ready? So it makes pretty short work of whatever you put in there. And as you can see, it makes really, beautiful crinkle cut chips. The thickness is crank adjustable on the slice shell over there. So it's pretty straightforward. You can set this kind of for what you want it to do. I don't have the maximum and minimum slice shell dimensions, but it's in our write-up on our webpage, so you can probably see it below this video depending on where you're watching it. Now we're going to set it up for cutting strips of a regular French fry or crinkle cut French fry or strip cut. Here's how you adjust the slice shell for the slice thickness.
Simple as that.
So there's your slice shell opening there. We've got it to roughly 1/2 inch to cut, crinkle cut French fries. You can see it moving a little bit there as he's turning the knob. So that's our slice shell setting. So our first cut, making those beautiful slices, was a 1-dimensional cut. This is a 3-dimensional cutter. And to cut strips, we are going to cut 2 dimensions. So here we're putting on the Crosscut knife. Zoom out a little bit so you can see this better. So we will be cutting 2 dimensions, the crosscut and the slice dimension. So we're gonna fire this baby up. And we've got her spinning in there. And now we're all set up to cut 2-dimensional cut, a strip cut popularly known in this part of the world as French fries. Freedom fries, if you prefer. Fire her up there, buddy. And as you can see, we get nice, clean, beautiful cuts. You know, you can regulate the size of the cut by the slice shell. You can change the crosscut knife setup and so forth. Again, if you have questions about the cutting specifications for your application, give us a call at 315-589-4511. Yeah, it is.
Those do look good.
We want to set it up now, all straight stuff?
All straight fry.
So we've changed out the change parts. We changed out the blades and replaced them with flat slice cutting blades and what do they call the other piece? The slicing plate or
The knife holder.
knife holder that for cutting flat pieces. All right. So now we're going to cut just flat strip cut. We're not going to belabor this further. We could also show you flat slices, but the flat strip cut is two-dimensional, so you'll see two flat cutting dimensions. So we'll fire her up and get on it. All right. So there you go. And here we have some nice uniform, clean cut, beautiful French fry cuts. Nice stuff. Making me hungry.
Yeah.
So in case you thought this was already over with, we still have something else to show you. So far we've done a single dimensional cut, the slice. We've done a two-dimensional cut, the strip cut or French fry cuts. And we're going to do a three-dimensional cut here. We have added the circular knives, which we haven't shown you yet, with the circular knife stripper plate. And we are going to do a dice, a three-dimensional cut. Again, because this machine is a GK-A, you can do a crinkle dice, or the dice can be a flat cut, a straight cut on all four sides. It's up to you. Again, if you have any questions about the cutting setup on this machine, give us a call at 315-589-4511. So now the product is going to go through the slice shell and the slice cut, the crosscut blade, and the circular knives for three cutting dimensions. We got to put the discharge on.
Those will fly out.
And what you may have noticed is the machine would not start because it has an interlock system. If all the guards and shrouds are not in place, the machine will not start. Voila, home fries. Really nice cuts of home fries. All uniform, straight-sided. Really good stuff. So there it is. And at last, we've shown you what this machine can do. This is Alard item Y5505 in stock here at Alard Equipment Company in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition, and available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.